As we say goodbye to 2023, let's look back at some of the things that we did. We started the year by framing this remodel on pilings. I got a lot of content while filming this frame, so it turned out to be quite the long series. I'm sure some of you remember it. As a matter of fact, some of you guys might have joined us during this frame, and it actually got us to 100,000 followers on multiple platforms while doing this. Whether you just joined our community or you've been along for a while, I truly appreciate every single one of y'all. I'm very thankful for the opportunity to share my work with everyone, even if it's imperfect and wrong sometimes. I'm just thankful for the opportunity. Now, we did a lot of cool stuff this year, but I think 2024 could be even better. Starting off with our current series, here's a sneak peek. But that's not everything. We got a whole lot more coming. We got these accent walls that we did. Can't wait to see these painted. This bunk bed, which I thought was cool. We got a whole nother house with some tongue and groove decking, which turned out really nice. Got involved with some bees at some point. Oh, and I haven't forgotten these guys. I'll finish the giveaway and teach you how to do your own hammers.